Gold IRA Rollover Guide, Safeguarding Your Retirement with Precious Metals. Hi, I'm Georgia from GoldIRARolloverguide.net. Welcome to this Gold IRA Rollover Guide and how to secure your future with precious metals. Planning for retirement is one of the most critical financial steps, and protecting these savings from market volatility and inflation is essential. Diversifying assets in a retirement account can help ensure long-term security, and gold individual retirement accounts, IRAs, are becoming a popular way to add a layer of protection. Today, we take a look at what a gold IRA is, how rollovers work, and why adding precious metals to your retirement portfolio can be a smart move for securing your future. So, let's dive in. So, what is a gold IRA and why should you consider it for your retirement? A gold IRA is a type of self-directed IRA that allows investors to hold physical precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium instead of traditional assets like stocks and bonds. This investment type has been growing in popularity as it offers a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Precious metals tend to retain their value over time, providing a safeguard against inflation and currency devaluation. Unlike paper assets, they are tangible, making them a reliable store of value, especially in times of market turbulence. A gold IRA can help diversify your portfolio, offering a counterbalance to traditional assets that may be more susceptible to market volatility. While traditional IRAs typically hold assets like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, a gold IRA provides investors with physical assets. This means you can possess approved gold or other precious metals within a tax-advantaged account. Diversifying in this way can provide security for those looking to reduce their exposure to the ups and downs of traditional financial markets. So, how does a gold IRA rollover work? A gold IRA rollover is the process of transferring funds from an existing retirement account, such as a 401k or traditional IRA, into a new gold IRA without incurring taxes or penalties. The process involves moving assets without taking personal possession of the funds, making it a tax-friendly way to diversify retirement savings. Let's take a look at the types of rollovers. 1. A direct rollover. Funds move directly from your existing retirement account to your new gold IRA custodian, minimizing the risk of penalties or taxes. 2. A trustee-to-trustee transfer, similar to a direct rollover, but it's managed between custodians. This is often the simplest and safest method. 3. An indirect rollover. In this case, the account holder takes possession of the funds briefly before transferring them to the gold IRA within 60 days. Failing to complete this transfer in time can result in taxes and penalties. Tax implications of a rollover. A rollover allows funds to be moved tax-deferred, meaning you won't face penalties as long as the funds are transferred correctly and within the 60-day limit. This tax deferral makes rollovers appealing for long-term retirement planning. Now here is our step-by-step guide to executing a gold IRA rollover. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a gold IRA custodian. A custodian is responsible for administering the IRA, holding your metals securely, and ensuring compliance with IRS regulations. Select a custodian with a strong reputation, positive reviews, and competitive fees. Additionally, look for a custodian who offers easy-to-navigate online account management tools and responsive customer service. See below the video our top pick, and for our complete list, visit our website at GoldIRARolloverguide.net. Step 2. Select approved precious metals. The IRS has specific standards for the types of metals that can be included in a gold IRA. Eligible metals include gold, 99.5% purity minimum. For silver, 99.9% purity minimum. For platinum and palladium, 99.95% purity minimum. Your custodian you work with will ensure you pick the right metals. Step 3. Decide on your investment strategy. Gold IRAs allow for flexibility in metal type and form, such as coins, bars, or bullion. While gold is the most popular choice, consider diversifying within the IRA by adding other approved metals. Spreading your investment can provide additional stability as different metals may react differently to market changes. And Step 4. Complete the rollover process. Once you've selected a custodian and chosen your metals, work with your custodian to initiate and complete the rollover process. The timing for this transfer may vary, but most custodians aim to complete the rollover within 10 to 15 business days. And that is how easy it is. Your reputable custodian will help you get started. GoldenCrest Metals is a top choice for physical gold as well as gold IRAs. They can help you get the information you need to help you get started. They are highly rated by their clients and all about transparency and customer service. To get your free gold guide and learn about how you can get up to $25,000 in free silver with a qualified purchase, please see the link under the video or go to goldencrest.info now to request the offer. This is a limited time offer, so don't wait. Request your gold guide now and access to up to $25,000 in free silver with qualifying purchase by going to the link below the video or goldencrest.info now. You'll be glad you did. Thanks so much for watching and good luck in your financial endeavors.
Learn how to protect yourself with precious metals now. Request your free info kit now from GoldenCrest Metals. Just click below the video in the description or the button to request your free kit now. Don't wait. Do it now.